Greetings fam! If you're ready to level up to serious resin printing, peep the link in bio for the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max. This 13.6 inches 7K large format resin printer is a beast. And I've done all the homework so you know exactly whether it's worth your time and money. Let's talk specs first. The M7 Max has a massive build volume of 298 x 164 x 300 mm. About 14.7 L, per Anycubic's official site. That means you can print huge models or batch print a ton of pieces in one go. The LCD screen is 13.6, monochrome, 7K resolution, 6480 x 3600, giving you an XY precision of 46 micrometers. The light engine is upgraded with LighTurbo 3.0, using a Cobb chip onboard UV source plus a Fresnel lens and a light uniformity algorithm. That means more even curing across the huge screen. You also get dynamic temperature control for the resin vat. It can keep the resin warm, around 25 degrees Celsius or higher, to improve flow and layer adhesion. In terms of speed, Anycubic rates it at up to 31 mm per hour with standard resin at 0.05 mm layer height. But if you use high-speed resin, you can crank it up to 86 mm per hour with 0.1 mm layers. The Z-axis uses dual linear rails with 10 micrometers precision, helping stability and print consistency. For usability, you get Intelligent Release 2.0, which dynamically adjusts the peel force during lifting, helping reduce printing failures. There are also sensors to detect resin flow, failed prints, and even when the release film needs replacing. The cover is a flip-open UV blocking lid that you can operate with one hand, which is super handy. Anycubic includes a 4.3 touchscreen for controls, and connectivity is pretty decent. USB and Wi-Fi are supported, so you can manage prints over the network. The machine's footprint is quite large for a resin printer. 425 x 362 x 652 mm, and it weighs approximately 24 kg. Print quality is one of its biggest strengths. According to Tom's Hardware, the M7 Max delivers excellent detail and can handle large models that most smaller resin printers simply can't. They also praise its heated vat and smart sensors, but note that their auto-refill system on their test unit didn't work reliably. That said, there are trade-offs. Because it's so big and advanced, some users report adhesion issues. One Reddit user said their prints kept failing in one particular spot, even after re-leveling and sanding. Another reported distorted prints and issues with the screen freezing when idle. There are also complaints about the touchscreen being faulty or the build plate not being perfectly flat. On the plus side, many users love the reliability once dialed in. I never ever seem to fail unless it's a support error. I clock non-stop hours on large projects with the M7 Max. And for first prints, one user said, all pieces are solid, transparent red plus high-speed gray, came out pretty good for first time. So, is the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max worth buying? In my honest opinion, yes, if you need a large format resin printer that can handle big models, batch printing, or even production-like workflows. Its mix of speed, volume, and smart features is rare in desktop resin printers. But if you're mostly printing small miniatures, don't have the space, or struggle with resin handling, a smaller printer might be more efficient to manage. After digging into the official spec sheet, expert reviews, and real user voices, I lean strongly toward recommending this for serious makers, 3D printing pros, or anyone who's ready to scale up their resin game. Click the link below for the best price.